and welcome to iOS Soapbox Objective-C. My name is Thiago Leoncio. I am returning for our channel that we have for iOS development. So today I'm going to talk to you, discuss about the blocks feature that we have in Objective-C. So basically, blocks are features, are language level features that were added since C and C++, and of course Objective-C. And it allows us to create a distinct segment of code. What that means, basically, I can just represent a single task or a unit behavior rather than a collection of methods in such a way. So basically, if you blocks are very important because you can create a block and then you can add into collections in Objective-C, such as NS array or NS dictionary. That will be part of the scope of that logic that you are developing. So basically, the segment how to write blocks is just like that. It's an anonymous block like this. But I would like to show you guys a great sample of block that you will see output from that. So basically, let me write for you guys, for example, a void block. Let's say the block will call Thiago Leoncio block, and this is a void, so it's not returning anything. Void. Here, and then here ns log at hello after how are you, and then we just run. Oh, of course, this is the way that we write blocks, but we need to call the block, right? Even if it's the void block, we need to call it. So just call passing nothing. You are not giving anything through the parents. That's the main difference from the block that we will be returning, that I will explain later. So basically, if you see, okay, you can see below, hello Arthur, how are you? This is the example of the void block that I just created. And of course, if you are adding, for example, the next example that I'm going to show you guys, for example, an integer block, you can get this return that we are going to write here into a NS array content, for example. Let me give an example of an integer block that needs to have a return. So let's say that this one will be integer block. And of course, we need to have int, and I will pass num as a value, as a variable that I'm going to treat here, and the return, of course, I need to return, and I will multiply by 2 this number that I'm getting. Okay, int blah blah, and this, of course. So if I call this block that's integer Thiago block, I need to give some number. Okay, so for example 98. Okay, so this is the way that we have integer block. So in another video, I'm going to show you more, some more examples on the features that we have for creating a block that depends on the class and adding the content of the class, the content of the block into the NS array or NS dictionary or any other collection. So remember, that's very important. It's a single task, and or you can say that's a unit behavior. That's the purpose of block. It's not a method itself, but looks like a method. So basically, you can get this content and add in somewhere else. process. So that's the beauty of the block. So thank you for joining me. I hope this helps. And if you like it, please join my channel of Objective-C. I'm going to show you much more on the Objective-C coding. Thank you. Happy coding.